is Cessi Rumondor. My name is 21101106010. Class Graph Theory A. Now I will discuss about computer networks.
What is graph? In mathematics, a graph is a pictorial representation of any data in an organized manner. The graph shows the relationship between variable quantities. In a graph theory, the graph represents the set of objects that are related in some sense to each other. The objects are basically mathematical concepts, expressed by vertices or nodes, and the relation between the pair of nodes are expressed by edges. Graph theory is the study of points and lines. In mathematics, it is a subfield that deals with the study of graphs. It is a pictorial representation that represents the mathematical truth. Graph theory is the study of relationship between the vertices, nodes, and edges lines. Formally, a graph is denoted as a pair G, V, E, where V represents the finite set vertices and E represents the finite set edges. Therefore, we can say a graph includes non-empty set of vertices V and set of edges E. What is a computer network? A computer network is a system that connects two or more computing devices for transmitting and sharing information. Computing devices include everything from a mobile phone to a server. These devices are connected using physical wires such as fiber optics, but they can also be wireless. Computer networking is the branch of computer science that deals with the ideation, architecture, creation, maintenance, and security of computer networks. It is a combination of computer science, computer engineering, and telecommunication. View 3D. View 3D is used to process basic 3D objects, such as the translate manipulator mode, used to move objects by right-clicking the mouse and then dragging the object to the desired location. If you want to move the object based on the orientation of the X, Y, Z angles, do the left click on one of the colored lines, then drag. The red line is for the X angle, the green line is for the Y angle, and the blue line is for the Z angle. The rotary manipulator mode is used to rotate objects. How to use it is almost the same as translate manipulator mode, that is, by clicking one of the orientation lines on the object and then dragging it, the object will rotate based on the orientation angle that was clicked. Scale manipulator mode. Scale manipulator mode is used to change the size of an object based on the X, Y, Z orientation lines. The way to use it is almost the same as the translate manipulator mode, namely by clicking on one of the orientation lines and then dragging it, the object will change its size according to the orientation line. Mode. Mode. This tool is used to change the mode of each object. Each mode has its own use. There are 6 modes including object mode, edit mode, sculpt mode, vertex paint, texture paint, weight paint. Scaling pivot. Scaling pivot, used to set the pivot round point. By default we use the median pivot. The following is an animation rendering that has been created and saved in MP4 format.